Today I'm on the way to somewhere in the inner west for 3x3, 4x4 and skew. Not sure how I'm going to go with skew, but definitely looking to get a good 3x3 and 4x4 time.
Not my best work.
Waiting for the train.
I really want to hear the timers. Messed it up. Forgot the OLL again.
A little later.
Ready.
Alright, so if you're trying to get good at 4x4, obviously you want to use you want to use 3-to-3 edge pairing. One of the more important things is when you're doing 3-to edge pairing, there's a lot of special cases where it won't be as efficient as normal. You might get like weird edges and strange places.
What? Red and green, red and green. Right in front of me.
Best to learn how to deal with those quickly, do them efficiently, and then it's just doing a lot of turning, a lot of practice, trying to actively avoid pausing, turn as fast as you can, do good solutions, turn fast. You might become okay.
Well, it's been fun. Alright, I'm done.
Oh, you're done.
I'm done.
Station 12.
I'm done.